Okay. So we are in line. Getting in line. Walking through the mysterious temple. It says stuff. Ooh. There's my nephew, my wife. There's poisonous frog. Hey there. Yeah, I got it.
Edward here. Wow, that's fun.
Alright guys, so I'd like to come see.
You like it?
They've changed anything. Oh yeah, they did change stuff. They've got animations on the walls now. It's really cool. It used to just be a black wall.
It. Oh wow.
They added some cool stuff. So my last video didn't have all of that going on there. Let's see what's going on over this direction. I know it's kind of dark, guys. It wasn't this dark last time. Maybe it'll brighten up in a bit. They're on this little boat, kind of like those water rides at theme parks. Little round raft. We're going through a river. There's a big old cat over there. Man back there. Nolan, what you thinking?
Hi, big man. He's amazed. I think this is the first time. Oh, the monkey! The monkey being silly.
Oh, there's a monkey looking back at me. Big monkey right there.
He likes you. Oh, another monkey. Hi, monkey. Oh, another monkey.
Okay. Ooh. Goofy eyes. I'll say it's improved since the last time we rode it.
Oh, the snake.
Oh no.
Hi, snake. Hi, snake. Hi, snake. Bye.
Big snake. Oh man, that is a big snake.
You see it?
What do you think, wife? Pretty cool.
I like it too.
Some zebras. Oh. My cousins. Yep, that's my cousin. Big giraffe. Oh, it's eating. Man, I think last time I came, the animatronics weren't so hot. There's the alligator. Ooh, a big one. That's a crocodile. Oh man, they're moving. That's a big sucker. Yeah, that's scary.
See you later.
Oh.
Elephant. Whoa.
Whoa. Big elephants.
Oh, rhino.
Careful.
Hi, Elsa. Bye. We'll see you later. What is that? More elephants. Oh,
A baby elephant. Hey, little baby. All right. Oh, that's a vulture.
oh, a butterfly. Turtle. Oh, no. He's going to take me out. Oh, he's going to take Nolan. He's going to get Nolan. He's going to get him.
Man, this is cool stuff in here.
Oh, snake too. Oh, there's more stuff on top. Wow, I like this. I like it. Oh my!
Snakes?
Look at the mask.
Bunch of snakes.
Whoa! Wow!
Oh, cool. Whoa. I forgot about this, man. Oh, love it.
I got one.
Cobra. Oh, these guys found the treasure and now they're here forever. And so there's a story here. There's a treasure. You can't leave. You find the treasure, but you don't stay with it.
Did you like it? Yeah, it was fun.
Oh, it's like the casino.
You had fun, Nolan? Huh? Nolan, did you have fun? I can't hear you.
There's some more guys that found the treasure.
Nolan, you like it? No? Scared? It's all fake.
Alright, so that was the ride. Very cool, very fun. Now we're getting out of here.